The Shell Gadus family of greases is designed to meet the toughest of challenges. And here in Sarawak, Malaysia, Shell Gadus S2 V220 AD is going to face one of the toughest, the Excavator challenge. One excavator was lubricated with Shell Gadus S2 V220 AD and the other with the competitor grease. After 5 hours, the grease in the pins and bushes was inspected. The competitor grease was already drying and falling off. Here you can see the grease after just 5 hours in operation, compared to a sample straight from the pail.
So there's so it becomes dry, and then the noise of the pins and bushes are very loud.
So it's dry, so the pin and bush, just like we heard just now, it's like clanking sound.
And here you can see the competitor grease at the end of the day, compared to a sample straight from the pail. So how did Shell Gadus perform? Here we show a comparison between 5 hours operation and a sample straight from the pail. Finally, here it is after 3 days, compared to a sample straight from the pail. As you can see, Shell Gadus has retained its consistency, delivering longer grease life and extra wear protection.
3 hari sekali.
3 hari sekali.
3 hari sekali.
Kita tadi kalau dia pakai banyak air kan, senang letak.
Iya, bagus lagi dia kalau kena air.
Bagus lagi.
Kena air.
Tidak pernah hilang.
Tidak pernah hilang.
Oh,
Kita
sebab
compare dengan yang lama tu, yang murah tu.
Itu mau hari-hari pan kalau kena air hilang.
Kalau hari-hari hilang.
Iya.
Kalau you sekarang saya consider sedang sudah lah.
旧的那个 grease 跟新的 Shell Gadus grease 你觉得有什么分别？
旧的就是我们每天都要搬哦，每天都要搬，就是差不多都要花半个小时这样搬。新的我们3天搬一次了，这样啊，三天搬一次，里面还是有渍了。旧的我们搬了，晚上换工的时候都干了，里面都没有油了。新的是比较好了，
都比较好。这个 Shell Gadus 的价钱高，你觉得值得吗？
价钱高一点，我看是会值的，因为你每天搬都要花半个小时，这个3天才花半个小时，
是吧？算起来还是值得哈，
值一点之后。
那你用了这个 Shell Gadus 之后，你有没有去介绍给你的朋友、身边朋友？
有啊，我 contractor 很多，我都有
介绍了。他们都
有在用，有的在用啊，在用。
Customers around the world are benefiting from switching to Shell Gadus. In fact, Shell has a range of high-performance lubricants and greases to meet whatever challenges you face. If you want to learn more about Shell Gadus and our other lubricants, please contact your local dealer.